Hello and welcome back to the IT Academy. Today we're tackling a common issue that many of us have experienced. Your phone battery draining way too fast. It is frustrating, isn't it? But don't worry, we'll break down the reasons why this happens and share some simple fixes to help you keep your phone powered longer. What is the reason why your phone battery is draining so fast? 1. Power-hungry apps. One of the main culprits is apps running in the background. Some apps consume more power than others, even when you're not actively using them. For example, apps that use your GPS like maps or ride-sharing apps tend to drain your battery quickly. To stop these apps from draining your battery, go to your phone's settings and find battery usage. Check which apps are using the most power. If you don't need them running all the time, you can close them or adjust their settings to save power. 2. Screen brightness. Another reason could be your screen brightness. The brighter your screen, the more battery power it uses. If you're on full brightness all day, it's no wonder your battery drains so quickly. Adjust your brightness to a lower setting or enable auto brightness so that your phone will automatically adjust brightness. 3. Background processes. Background processes like syncing emails, updating apps, and checking for notifications can also eat up your battery. These processes are often running without you even noticing. To minimize this, head to your phone's settings and turn off background app refresh, or set your phone to sync data less frequently. 4. Battery health. Over time, your phone's battery naturally degrades. Older batteries can lose their ability to hold a charge, which leads to faster draining. Check your battery health in your phone's settings to see if it is time for a replacement. If it's significantly degraded, replacing the battery might be the best option. 5. Software issues. Sometimes a software bug or glitch can cause your phone's battery to drain unexpectedly. A new update or app installation can lead to issues like this. Make sure your phone is updated with the latest software. Manufacturers often release updates that fix bugs and improve battery performance. If you're already on the latest version, try restarting your phone to clear out any glitches. 6. Extreme temperature. Finally, extreme temperature, whether too hot or too cold, can affect your phone's battery life. Try to keep your phone in a moderate temperature range. Heat, in particular, can cause irreversible damage to your battery. So there you have it. Common reasons why your phone battery is draining so fast and how to fix them. By managing apps, adjusting settings, checking your battery health, and being mindful of temperature, you can extend your phone battery's life and keep it running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update from the IT Academy. I'll see you in the next video.